Did you know that you should put dishwasher tabs in your washing machine every 4 to 8 weeks? In this short video I'll show you what enormous benefits this can have for you. There are also some things you should be aware of. Depending on how often you use your washing machine, you will need at least one, maybe even two dishwasher tabs. Simply put them in the drum of your washing machine. You should not add laundry. But why use dishwasher tabs at all? They are perfect for removing dirt and various residues, and of course you have these in your washing machine. Over time this can cause the laundry to start to stink or the washing machine to smell in general. The important thing now is set it to a high temperature, preferably 90 degrees Celsius. Then switch on the machine in a normal wash program and let it run through completely. This removes all residues and also completely kills bacteria that would otherwise spread here. And by doing this regularly, you also increase the life of your washing machine. Dishwasher tabs are therefore not only suitable for washing dishes. By the way, have you ever put a straw in your mobile phone? In the video I'm linking to you here, I'll show you why you should definitely do it. You would make me really happy if you click the like button and subscribe to my channel.